issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Medina County until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Yancey, or 9 miles south of Hondo, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hondo, Divine, Castroville, Lytle, Natalia, Lacoste, Cliff, Dehanas, Noonan, New Fountain, Quee, Dunley, Berry, Pearson, Yancey, Mater, and Rio Medina. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.